Tonight I tell you, no record stands against the one who knows the law. The world is a living field, each event a seed preserved in consciousness. Whatever root you permit to live, its fruit will return. For the law gives form to belief alone, yet imagination governs the law. You may plant again, and what once grew in sorrow shall rise in joy. Speak therefore as one with dominion. Every record awaits the word that will rewrite its course. Let the scene appear, not as an enemy, but as the soil awaiting your hand. It is not against you. It is waiting for your command. Every form that once frightened you was the shadow of a forgotten seed. Stand before it as the living cause. Speak not in regret, but in power. You were illusion only, born of error, sustained by belief. The instant you speak, the former root loses its life, and the new begins to rise. For nothing spoken in faith returns empty. The seed answers at once. The law moves to fulfill the word. This is revision. Not denial, but redemption. In blessing what was broken, you give it truth and life anew. Now stand as the sower of that moment. Know the assurance of one whose harvest is certain. Speak as the law, and what was wrong shall right itself. This stands corrected. You need not force the image. The old seed has lost its claim. Bless the ground that bore your sorrow, for in that blessing it is transformed. The new seed lives, and the outer must conform to the inner cause. The law has heard, and what was written in shadow is now revealed in light. You have spoken under divine authority. The act is complete. Even now the record stirs to obey the living word. The unseen rearranges itself to mirror your acceptance of the new cause. To those who dream it will seem chance, but you will know the order has changed. And when the fruit appears, it will deny the thorn that bore it. For the law brings forth only after its kind, and faith, once spoken, cannot return unfulfilled. Seek not confirmation. The seed does not ask the rain for proof. It abides in the law that quickens it. Rest in what you have spoken. The cause is changed, the harvest assured. Peace is the evidence. When you feel it, the work is sealed. You have not erased the past. You have redeemed its root. And from that living root, a new order of the world must unfold. Walk now as one whose word has already fulfilled itself. For the seed has answered, and the harvest stands complete. The record is rewritten, the law has obeyed its source. What was once bound in shadow now serves the light. The outer bends before the inner cause, and every former image yields to your command. Dwell in this certainty each day. For the law moves only with the unwavering. As the seed cannot resist the sower, and reality cannot resist the one who persists. Stand unmoved in that knowing, for the act is sealed, and creation itself bears witness. It is done.